I would very much like to thank a gentleman named Lynn Fuston for his article, Why Gear Doesn't Matter, a heretical look at why we do what we do. Now, you cannot find this article anymore, but I thought it was interesting because Mr. Fuston now works for Sweetwater after writing an article like that. And look at all these articles that he's written since then. Gear shootouts, talking about ribbon microphones, talking about comparing microphones. I mean, it's really funny how time marches on, and So anyway, I'll include links to both of these forum pages because you can't find the article anymore. Pro Sound Network combined with another company. So anyway, maybe I'll be able to find it by the time this video is posted. But yeah, gear doesn't matter. That's why the $6 microphone that I'm using right now sounds awesome. And yeah.